Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, welcome back to Indian Aviation Jobs YouTube channel. My name is Nitin Singh and I am back with one more topic. So today's topic is that how to get a ground staff job if you haven't completed your graduation. How to get a job when you are just 12th passed. So today in this video I am going to tell you all about how to get a job even if you are not graduate. So be with me in this video, and before I begin this video I would like to request everybody to please subscribe the channel so that you do not miss any update, and also press the bell icon. So let's begin. So there are so many people who are not able to complete the graduation, or they cannot afford to complete the graduation, or they are not able to complete the graduation because of any reason. So today I have come up with the list of companies which will hire you even if you're not graduate, even if you're undergraduate, or you just have completed your 12th. So let's begin the video. So first I would like to tell you there is a concept in India and also in the world called as GHA. GHA का मतलब होता है Ground Handling Agency. GHA means Ground Handling Agency. So if you are 12th or even not graduate, you can join these GHA companies. And in India, there are so many GHA companies which I am going to list in the description below with their website, so where you can go and apply. But this video is being made in Corona time, so you will not be able to apply right now, but when this Corona crisis is up, you will be able to apply in these companies. So if you will ask me in today's date when this video is being made, you might not be able to apply, but yeah, when you will watch it later on after a year or 6 months, when the situation gets better, you will be able to apply for these companies. So be with me guys in this video. So before I begin this video, I would like to tell you what is GHA. GHA is a company who provides assistance to airlines, whether it is domestic या फिर international. दोनों में से कोई भी है, domestic या फिर international है, तो GHA जो होता है, वो जो ground handling companies होती हैं, वो आपको assistant provide करती हैं. किस तरीके की assistance? चेक इन हो गया, बोर्डिंग हो गया, डिपार्चर हो गया, अराइवल हो गया, आपका रैम्प हो गया. सो ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज आर बीइंग टेकन केयर अबाउट with these GHA. So what GHA people do, they hire ramp staff, they hire check-in staff, they hire load and trim staff. So all category except pilot, they hire almost for all the categories on the operation side. मतलब operation के side में जो जो profiles होती है, जो जो लोग काम करते हैं, तो वो GHA companies they hire from their side, and then they provide the services to the. And in India there are so many domestic airlines who are taking these GHA companies services, like such as Vistara and AirAsia. Okay, so not many company takes the services of GHA in India in today's date, but yeah, Vistara and AirAsia one of them. But all the international airlines have to take, because they don't have any ground support in India for them. All the international airlines who comes to India, who lands in India and who takes off from India, they don't have any kind of ground support to them, so they hire GHA people, and 99.9% flights are being, if I say 100%, then I am not wrong. So GHA companies are handling 100% to all the international airlines, which is a big margin, big ratio. So in Mumbai, in Delhi, in Hyderabad, in Bangalore, in Kolkata, in Lucknow, wherever you take a name and GHA is there. So on all the non-metro, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, on all metros there are GHA companies available. And also one GHA at an airport is not allowed, because then there would be monopoly. So they have allowed 2 GHA at one airport, so that you don't have a monopoly for any obvious reason. I don't know about it. So yeah, GHA, the work of GHA I have explained to you now. Now I will tell you what things GHA hires for. So GHA hires for check-in staff, boarding staff, baggage staff, ramp staff, driver, and load and trim staff. There are so many departments which GHA hires for, and mostly GHA requires people for check-in, because check-in करने के लिए they need people, they need staff. So they hire check-in staff, and fortunately they only take the people who have passed 12th, मतलब किसी को ग्रेजुएशन की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, किसी को कोई पोस्ट कोई भी डिप्लोमा डिग्री की ज़रूरत नहीं है. दे विल हायर यू इवन इफ यू आर ग्रेजुएट, इवन इफ यू आर जस्ट 12th पास, HSC पास करके आप घर बैठे हो, यू कैन गो टू दीज कंपनीज एंड देन दे विल टेक यू इंटरव्यू, दे विल टेक यू एज देयर एम्प्लॉइज and then they will give you the training of systems of the airline in whichever they are going to dedicate you. So that is the thing. So we are done with the GHA. Now we will talk about the salary of these 12th pass staff which are being hired by GHA. तो इनकी जो बेसिक सैलरी होती है वो 15 से 20 हज़ार के बीच में होती है. इनिशियली दे गिव यू 15,000 एंड मैक्सिमम दे गिव यू 20,000 डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर एक्सपीरियंस. यहाँ पे सारे कितने लोग हैं, अगर मैं मेरा खुद का एग्जांपल लूँ तो मैं भी एक GHA से था. मेरा भी जो बैकग्राउंड है, द प्लेस आई हैव स्टार्टेड माई करियर वॉज कंबाटा एविएशन. सो आई स्टार्टेड माई करियर एज एन GHA स्टाफ. मैं 12th पास ही था एंड देन आफ्टर व्हेन कंबाटा गॉट शट और पीपल लीव ऑल्सो. सो यू कैन लीव द कंपनी व्हेन यू हैव सफिशिएंट amount of experience. So these are the things about the GHA. So if we talk about the salary, then the salary of GHA staff is 15,000-20,000. That is done. How to apply? You can go to these companies' office directly because they entertain you directly walking, but don't go now because there is a corona going on right now. So they will definitely not entertain. But yeah, when you will be watching this video after 6 months or a year after, or या फिर 2 साल के बाद जब आप ये वीडियो देख रहे होगे, then you can go and you can definitely, they will entertain you. So I am going to list the name of the companies below, down नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं सभी कंपनियों के नाम डाल दूंगा जहाँ पे कि आप जाके उनके ऑफिसेज में जा सकते हो या फिर उनके एड्रेसेस, जितनी मेरे से इंफॉर्मेशन हो सकेगी. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट ऑल ऑफ देम द मोस्ट पॉपुलर एंड आई एम गोइंग टू नेम अ फ्यू फॉर यू, जिससे कि आपको पता चले ये GHA होता क्या है. इनकी कंपनीज के नाम मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, ये बहुत फेमस हैं एंड इनके बाद भी बहुत सारी कंपनीज हैं, बट दे आर स्मॉल कंपनीज एंड दे आर एट दी स्मॉल एयरपोर्ट. बट द कंपनी आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द नेम्स ऑफ देम, दे आर एट द बिग एयरपोर्ट लाइक मुंबई, दिल्ली, कोलकाता एंड ऑल्सो. या पहला है सेलिबिनास. कहीं पे सेलिबी सिर्फ अकेला है और कहीं पे सेलिबी और NAS नेशनल एयरपोर्ट सर्विसेज जो कि कुवैत बेस्ड कंपनी है, तो ये हो गया. दूसरा है BWFS भी है, मुंबई में है एंड दे आर ऑल्सो इन दिल्ली. सो सेलिबिनास एंड BWFS, देन देयर इज भद्रा, देन देयर इज मेंजिस, कहीं पे मेंजिस भी है एंड GGI है, और सबसे बड़ा जो है वो है AIATSL जो कि एयर इंडिया की सब्सिडरी कंपनी है. So guys, this is it for today's video and today's topic because there are so many people who are asking me, नितिन इसके बारे में वीडियो बनाओ, इसके बारे में कुछ तो बताओ. तो मैंने इसके बारे में वीडियो बना दी. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो और वीडियो को लाइक करो. इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करो इंडियन एविएशन जॉब्स. मुझे फॉलो करो जहाँ पे कि मैं फ्री करियर काउंसलिंग देने वाला हूँ एंड आई एम स्टार्टिंग दिस थिंग just to help the people who are aspiring to be aviators. So go and follow me as well. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद.